Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so this is what I'm doing in this video. I already had said that I was going to redo my orchid arrangement, and that's what I'm going to do in this video. Here is the bowl that it was in. So I took everything out. And then y'all know I got my new my other orchid that I bought. So it's, yeah. Okay, so I got those, and the bamboo stakes. So that's what I'm gonna do now. The bowl that I chose to use, hold on, let me show y'all the bowl that I'm going to use is this one. Some of y'all already seen this, but yeah, so this is a decorative bowl I've had for some years now, and it's from Pier 1. So it's not new or anything like that, but yeah, so it's from Pier 1, same as this one. This one was from Pier 1 also. But that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna do my orchid arrangement in here, and it's pretty much gonna be the same. I do have some moss that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. Y'all saw that in my haul video, but I might not need to use it. Might not have to use it in here because, yeah, so it's pretty much, look, I ain't really doing nothing too different, you know? So have that sitting in there, and then I'll do my arrangement. And if I need to use some of the moss, then I will. But other than that, yeah, so just keep on watching. And yeah, I'm up here cooking Sunday dinner, frying chicken. So if y'all hear any noise in the back, that's what it is, me frying some chicken. All right, y'all, so I already put my floral foam inside the bowl. And sit down. Okay, so I have my my floral wire, and you can find these at Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Michael's. Okay, I might need to stand up to do this. Now these sticks are, some of them are thicker than others. Like this is a thick one, and this is a thin one. Okay. So let me start in the middle. Sticking that in there just like that. And I'm going to get my 2 large orchids. These ones are 30, I think it was 38. Yeah, it was 38. So put one on this side and the other on this side. Now this is real easy. Y'all can do this. Okay. So I'm gonna get my wire, and I'm gonna put mine in the middle. Now you don't want to tie it. You just want to wrap the wire around it real tight. Just tight enough to where it won't come loose. So do it just like that. And then maybe I'll put one at the top. I got my windows open, so I know y'all probably hear the siren. I can't do nothing about that, y'all. Okay. All right, so I have these ones in there. Now I do need to secure the floral foam because the tape is not sticking. This is the same tape I had last time. So I just want to secure the phone just a little so it won't go nowhere. Just do it like that. And going across this way. Alright. So now I'm going to take another piece of bamboo and I'm going to stick it. Hold on. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not even all together. Okay, so I'm putting another piece in here. Let me make a little hole. Just like that. So with this one, I'm going to use 2 of the 38 inches once again. Then I got my wire. Do the same thing. Do the same thing. Make sure I get my, I got to poke these holes in here. Okay. All right, y'all. There we go. Okay. Got one on that side. And one on this side. I got my wire. Remember, y'all, I'm doing the same thing that I did on the other. Taking the wire, just wrapping it around really tight. I think I'm gonna do one more. Okay, that should do it. You know. Okay, then I'll probably secure it down here at the bottom. A little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to add 2 more of the 38 inches once again. Now this time I'm going to, let me see. Okay, with this one, this is what I'm going to do. Because now I'm going to switch it up a little bit. Another stick, another bamboo stick. I'll do this side, okay. So let me make my hole. Okay. Alright, so I got one right here, right? And I'm gonna take one of these 38 inches and I can't remember how many inches these was. I think this was a 30, I think these were 32. I think these ones, the smaller ones are 32. All right, so once again, put it I'll let y'all get a close up.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. I always stay dreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to